Good evening, everyone. Jana here, bringing you the buzz from the crypto cosmos. With Bitcoin's meteoric rise to 35K USD, there's a lot to unpack. So, let's dive deep and uncover what truly steered our crypto market this week. Was it the courtroom drama around SBF that got everyone talking? This picture paints 1,000 words, doesn't it? Oh, wrong picture, sorry. Or was the spotlight stolen by the listing of IBTC on DTCC? If you're scratching your heads thinking, what's IBTC and DTCC? Don't worry. We're about to break it down for you. In the world of crypto, if you blink, you might just miss it. Or was the real game changer the whopping $66 million inflows into digital asset investment products? With numbers like these, it's hard to ignore the traction. But wait, there's more. Could the market buzz be because of BitBoy Crypto launching a dazzling 4K indicator and an exclusive group dubbed High IQ? What could go wrong?
Imagine Bitcoin going from $60,000 to $320,000.
1 week later.
The market is volatile. Bitcoin could go up or it could go down.
Or was it the ever-intriguing PBOC liquidity injection that gave Bitcoin the boost it needed, catapulting it right up to that 35K mark? The twists and turns never cease. It's my first YouTube video, so don't hurt my feelings. You noticed that if you are looking for a compact summary of events, on-chain insights, and a bit of humor, you are in the right place. Digital asset investment products saw inflows for the fourth consecutive week, totaling 66 million USD. Total assets under management has now risen to 33 billion USD. Grayscale court ruling sends Bitcoin ETF approval back to SEC. The iShares Bitcoin Trust has been listed on the DTCC, but there's a catch. Stay tuned. Bitcoin surges past 35K USD. CME BTC futures open interest has breached 100K BTC for the first time ever. Grayscale launches crypto indices product with FTC Russell. QCP Capital believe the rally was driven by anticipation of a Bitcoin spot ETF approval, but think SEC approval may not come for months, expecting early next year. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust IBTC has been removed from DTCC's list. After that DTCC website goes down, FTX is negotiating with 3 bidders to restart crypto exchange. Bankrupt firm expected to decide fate of exchange in December, according to Bloomberg. Galaxy estimates a plus 174% Bitcoin price increase in the first year after ETF approval, using the 9/30/23 price of $26,920 as the baseline. Google went down 6%, Microsoft up 5% after earnings report. United States Securities and Exchange Commission charges BlackRock with failing to disclose investments. BlackRock agreed to pay a $2.5 million penalty. IBTC ticker for BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin ETF appears once again on the DTCC website. DTCC spokesperson says that the BlackRock ETF has actually been on there since August. Former SEC attorney Tom Gorman says approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF by the SEC is not a given, according to Bloomberg. Vitalik Buterin invests in Nocturne Labs, which aims to bring private accounts to Ethereum. Binance Labs announced investment in CyberConnect. Gensler says that crypto industry not that decentralized. SEC's Gensler stays true to form, uses Wednesday speech to say crypto is full of fraud, scams, bankruptcies, and money laundering, according to Bloomberg. Bloomberg documentary about SBF and FTX collapse released. UK lawmakers pass bill to help seize illicit crypto. Lawmakers call on DOJ to consider criminal charges against Binance. Further investigate Tether over possible involvement in illicit finance. Oh my God! Oh, wrong picture, sorry. US GDP QOQ advance actual 4.9%. Forecast 4.5%. Previous 2.1%. Kraken to share user data with IRS next month, following June court order. SBF stand day 2. SBF says he did not defraud anyone or take customer funds. SBF started buying SOL at 20 cents using Alameda profits. SBF said he wasn't always in the know when it came to how his company functioned. SBF blamed Caroline Ellison for not hedging positions. U.S. core PCE for September in line with expectations. Gemini sues Genesis over 1.6 billion of Bitcoin Trust shares. Crypto delistings from exchanges are already running at a record pace this year. If you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. It seems BitBoy started selling a 4,000 USD indicator and paid group called High IQ. He claims it is a leading indicator with a proven strategy. If it was truly this profitable, then why not make money from it yourself, instead of just asking for donations while claiming to have nothing? Now, a short overview of what happened on the blockchain and what smart money did this week. Here we have the past 7 days of exchange outflow anomalies from Santiment, link in the description. And there we have a list of what assets smart money bought last week, data from Nansen, link in the description. And you may ask yourself, how much of their stable coins do they hold as a percentage of their total holdings? Data from Nansen, link in the description. Because you are still watching my video, I am going to share with you a bombshell. FTX, or Alameda, had transferred a total of 59 million USD in crypto assets, including Solana, 25 million Ethereum, 9 million, Chainlink, 6 million, and so on. Some sources claim that FTX, or Alameda, holds $620 million of assets. That's it, guys. Have a nice week and don't be the prey. And by the way, you will find useful links in the description.
Nice.